This cube right here is the Qiyi MS 2x2. It is a budget 2x2 that comes in for $695, but don't let its price fool you. It is undoubtedly the best budget 2x2 on the market and could even be the best one for some people. Watch this video to find out how. Hey guys, it's me Ram here, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing and taking a look at the Qiyi MS 2x2, and I'm also going to be telling you guys why I believe that it is the best budget 2x2 on the market. So let's begin with some basic specs. This cube is available at SpeedCubeShop for $695, which is an amazing price for a magnetic 2x2, and you can save even more money if you use the discount code RAM at checkout. Thank you so much to SpeedCubeShop as always for sending me this cube. It was released on April 24th, 2020 along with Qiyi's MS line of cubes, which was a budget magnetic series. While the other cubes in the series were decent at best, I truly believe that this one is something special and definitely has the best value. It measures in at 49mm across, which is a little bit smaller than the average 2x2. Its mass is 57 grams and it can be bought in both black and stickerless plastic. The stickerless shades on this cube contrast fairly nicely and I've had no problem with recognition at all. When I first took this cube out of the box, it was not super impressive. The tensions were insanely tight, the cube was bone dry and it could barely corner cut. Not to mention, it had a fair amount of catches. However, the feeling was incredibly nice, the cube was quite fast and so I knew it had good potential. So what I did to improve the cube was loosen the tensions by a lot and add 4 drops of Martian and 2 drops of Lunar. After setting it up, I experienced far fewer catches on this cube and the corner cutting was actually phenomenal, with forward being well over 45 degrees and reverse being around this much with absolutely no effort. I can overall turn really well on this cube. The speed is nice and fast, but it's not uncontrollable because of the nice and strong magnets complementing the turns. It still retained that nice feeling from out of the box, just feeling a little bit softer. Here you can listen to it for yourself. Now despite my extremely loose tensions, I haven't experienced a single pop on this cube, which is great. However, I have experienced a fair amount of corner twists, more than I would like. I know this could be fixed with tightening. However, if you tighten the cube, the corner cutting will just become bad again and the cube will basically be unusable because of the amount of catches it has. Now before I give you guys my final thoughts on the cube, let's hear from QwertyQwertz, one of New Zealand's biggest cubing YouTubers. He actually mains the Qiyi MS 2x2 and believes that it's the best 2x2 out there overall, and while I don't necessarily agree with him, let's hear what he has to say.
Hey, what's up guys, it's QwertyQwertz here, and I've actually been maining the MS for quite a long time now, but the main contender for the MS is the Volk, which most people I think actually main over the MS. But personally, I like the MS a lot more. I find it a lot more like stable and I can just do a bit of turning, and it also like fixes my turning and everything. Like on the Volk, you can do slower turning, but it's just too blocky for me. You can kind of hear it as well. My turning is just not as good. But on the MS, I've actually just slowed down my turning, and it's also helped me on other events as well, because I usually try and turn really fast, but on the MS, you can kind of just let it slow you down as well. So basically, I'd usually just try and go all out on 2x2 before I had the MS and everything. But now I can just like try and fix my turning a bit. Currently I'm not doing too well because I'm not warmed up. You can just see I generally turn better on it, apart from that apparently. Yeah, I don't know why, but when I first tried the Volk, I didn't really like it as much, because I think I used a different 2x2 before the Volk. I mained it for a little bit, and then I got the MS, I found it so much better, but my turning is a lot better on this. I don't actually do a lot of 2x2 anymore, but it actually was really fun to grind 2x2 when I got this. And I'm considering getting back into it as well. Yeah, I've been maining this for like well over a year now, I'm pretty sure. It was somewhere around that time, and yeah, I think I do want to practice 2x2 again. I'm just focusing on other events right now, like clock and stuff, but I think once I take a break from that sort of stuff, I might get into 2x2. It does seem really fun, and I'm definitely going to use this unless a better one comes out. But I think, personally, this is the best one on the market at the moment. I definitely recommend it. And yeah, thanks Ram for having me in the video.
Thank you so much QwertyQwertz for joining me on this video. Now overall, according to me, I believe that this cube is easily the best budget 2x2 on the market. It is the same price as the Meilong M2x2 and in my opinion, this cube is a whole lot better. My biggest complaint with other budget magnetic 2x2s is that they are generally quite catchy. While the MS 2x2 has that too, it is so much better than the other cubes and I can almost get my average times on this cube. My only problem with this cube is the outer surface. Because it is so frosted, the cube can tend to slip out of my hands quite easily and of course that can ruin an entire solve. But that is something PVC coating is made for, so I do plan on trying a PVC coated MS 2x2 eventually. All in all though, due to its amazing speed, corner cutting and fewer catches than other budget 2x2s, I 100% recommend you give this cube a shot if you want a good budget 2x2 or if you have tried the Volk and you thought it was too heavy. So that's pretty much it for my review on the Qiyi MS 2x2. Thanks a lot for watching, I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope this video inspired you to buy this cube. Goodbye.